Okay, this video is taking a look at using the addition algorithm. That's to add, that's to find the sum of two or more numbers. Now, there's a whole group of addition problems that I call easy problems because in each column, the sum, that means the total, is just one digit. Either 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. I'll show you what I mean. How about something like 33 plus 21? Now, with the addition algorithm, we start with the ones. 3 and the 1, we're going to add our columns. 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus 2 is 5. So the addition algorithm is one of the operations where we start with the ones, the smallest numbers, and the smallest column, and then we move to the left. Well, sometimes though, when we're adding things up, it gets a little trickier. And what happens is we have a number that's bigger than 9. So for example, how about 27 plus 45? Well, 7 plus 5 is 12. Now this would be doing it wrong. 7 plus 5 is 12. See, I wrote the 12 there. Well, that would be fine for just 7 plus 5. But this has messed up my columns because now when I get over to the tens here, 2 plus 4, which is 6, 20 plus 40 is 60, 6 tens. Well, that space is already taken up by the 1 from this 12. That is no good. Some kids will even do this. 2 plus 4 is 6. Uh-oh, no room here. I'll put the 6 here. Okay. Now, someone who leaves that answer as their answer, well, they're not really thinking enough about what's going on with the problem. I mean, you got less than 30. Let's even put it another way. You got less than 100 up here and less than 100 up here. How can you add them up and get 600 something? Well, what's happened is that you've gotten sort of like column traffic. Let's take another look at it. Okay. What we're going to do instead is we're going to say, okay, 27 plus 45. 7 plus 5 is 12. Okay, 7 plus 5 is 12. Okay. Now, we're going to take the 12 and we're going to put the 2 here and the 1 up here in the tens. Now, what's going on with that? Well, this 12 is 10, 1 10, and 2 1s. So we're kind of splitting it up. It's kind of weird, actually. Here's the 12, 1 10, and 2 1s. Well, that 10 now is safely in our tens column. So now when we go over to the tens column, 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 4 is 7, and we get the right answer, no problem. Okay, let's take a look at some of the problems from the earlier video. Okay, let's see. You might remember this one if you saw the other video. Okay, now let's take a look. 4 plus 7 is 11, and 11 plus 9 is 20. Okay, so we've got 20. And I'm going to think of this 20 as 2 10s and 0 1s. So I'm going to split the 20. I'm going to put the ones part in the ones column, and the 2 10s are going to go up into the tens column. And now it's easy to finish up. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. Done. Let's take a look at one of the other problems from the earlier video. Okay, this was $124.37 plus $74. Okay, let's use our algorithm. Here we go. Now, before I said start with the ones, I really should have said you start with the column with the place that's the furthest to the right, that's the smallest, because now we're past the decimal. Okay, we're going to start over here in the hundredths column, and there'll be another video about place value in columns. These guys are easy. 7 plus 0 is 7. 3 plus 0 is 3. Let's remember our decimal point, so important. 4 plus 4 is 8. 2 plus 7 is 9. 1 plus nothing is 1. Hey, look at that, I'm done. I didn't even have to mess around with my columns at all. You put the dollar sign down here for the answer, and you are done. Great. All right, one more on this video. This was a little bit of a messy one here. It ended up being, here, I'll just put that right there. I'll read this problem to you. $2.14 plus 79 cents plus 43 cents plus 5 cents. Now, when you're adding a long column of numbers, it can get to be a lot of mental math. And I'm going to show you in a different video how to break this up into more manageable parts. But eventually, you'll get to the point where you can do it in your head little by little, the way I'm doing it now. So I'm going to talk you through it. 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 21. Here, I'll jot the 21 over here. So what am I going to do? I'm going to put the 1 here, and the 2 goes to the next column. The convention, by the way, is to write it smaller than the other numbers. Okay, now we go to the next column. 2 plus 1 is 3. Oh, good. 3 plus 7 is 10. It's always nice when you have a 10. So we're up to 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. 14. Okay, so I have to take the 4. There's not room for the whole 14 in that one column. And I'm going to take that 1 and put it up in the next column. 1 plus 2 is 3, and I'm done. Okay, that wraps up this video. I'm Bob Rollins. I teach at Park Day School in Oakland. If you have any questions or comments, please email me at bob@parkdayschool.org. Thanks. Bye.